This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to change the default browser now because links should open where you want them. First, make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later. This setting didn't exist before. Open the Settings app, use the home screen or Spotlight if that's faster. Once in Settings, scroll down alphabetically or type Safari in the search bar to jump straight to Safari settings. This gets you right to the menu where the default browser option appears, so you can act immediately. Now you'll set Safari as the default so every web link opens in it automatically. In Safari settings page, look for the row labeled Default Browser App and tap it. You'll see a list of installed browsers that support being default. Tap Safari in that list. You'll know it worked when a blue checkmark appears beside Safari. Make sure the browser you want is installed and allowed by any device management profile. If Safari isn't listed, check earlier prerequisites or restrict. Finish by testing a link. Tap a web link in Mail or Messages and confirm it opens in Safari. If it still opens another browser, restart your iPhone to force the setting to apply. Simple restarts often resolve lingering issues. If problems remain, check for an installed MDM or configuration profile that can lock defaults, update iOS to the latest version, or reinstall the conflicting browser. One key troubleshooting tip: remove any device profiles temporarily to see if they're blocking the default change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.